Okay, now we're standing in front of the Brinkley Model G 3250. It is new, it is in production, but there's not that many out there, and I'm excited to look at it because I really love this floor plan.
We are here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show and in Tampa, and we're going to share some videos that we did of some rigs, and yeah, it's been a great show so far, and we've had a lot of fun.
And honestly, we're only here a couple days. We're not going to do the amount of floor plans that we normally do or the amount of manufacturers, but we are going to bring you some good stuff.
Absolutely. So yeah, get ready to check it out, and we'll see you on the road.
So let's start exploring some of the features here. So you've got a nice large
Huge.
that is actually, you can move these up
panels
or down to separate or open it right up. It does have,
you can see that one's open, goes right to the front.
It has a Rockford Fosgate sound system, which excites Scotty a lot. All your slides, all this stuff is right here.
Your awnings, I think.
You have water on this side that you can hook up.
Yep. That slide there. There's some more.
The more ride tray.
Oh wow, that is nice.
And of course, that just closed. And they have one on the other side. This. It's locked.
It's locked, but that is a little fridge.
Yes, it is an outside fridge. Do you want to show the front?
Yeah, let's do the outside.
So this will show you there's a separate.
That's where your generator goes.
Yep, and your batteries.
And your batteries. Oh, they already have Sun Cycle Advanced lithium batteries in there already.
Yes, they do. And this is flex power, so it runs on gas and propane, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
And then on this side, you're going to have your second floor ride tray.
Yeah.
With all their personal stuff on it right now for the show. Sorry about that, guys. And then your whole tank setup.
Oh, yeah, check
Look
that
at the lights. It's
I
really
see that.
They're dancing.
They're power valves for your tanks.
And then you have a power cord reel and another more ride slide. And this comes with the ladder. It is how you get to your roof.
Yeah. That I don't know about.
But the power cord is really great.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go check out the oh wait, one more thing. You got cameras.
Oh yeah, cameras up here.
On both sides, I believe, if I remember correctly.
And you have your Gen Y.
Which is how we would set up. No,
absolutely.
No. We would get the gooseneck.
Actually, we get the gooseneck.
Yeah, we would get the gooseneck.
But it comes with a Gen Y.
Right. Which is
regular,
excellent.
which is awesome.
Excellent. All right, so let's go look inside. I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
Okay. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Amy, it's a rear kitchen. It is, but it isn't. And I'll show you in a minute. So I really love how they have lots of stuff in space. Here, you do have to take it apart to travel. I'm not going to lie. You have to take this middle thing out and kind of do a little funky thing. But I like having all that space.
Yep.
Nice large TV. There's hidden storage.
Yep. Open those up. Right in the middle. Pull the middle.
Pull the middle? No.
No?
I don't remember. But there's hidden storage.
Yeah.
I don't remember how to do it.
You just gotta pull.
Oh, there we go. I'm a little challenged.
You have to pull the middle one too.
There's some hidden
down
storage
bottom.
There.
Pull it hard.
Pulling it.
Pull hard.
Yeah, you're right. Pull hard. So then you have a little more storage here and your control.
Oh, your control
breakers.
panels right there.
Yep. And right there.
Yep. Wow.
All right.
Incredible.
So you have a huge space here.
Oh yeah, totally.
Huge space.
Look at that.
And that's a nice.
Love that.
Space. It's one of
Still the four position.
Yep. Still that again, so you can do it however you want.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. And then it's already set up to do what we do because we didn't have a dinette. We tore it out and we made a desk, as you know. So then this is stools here. So here you're going to have magnetic knife rack, and then your utensils.
Yep.
You have nice pull down, rubber shelf, stainless steel. I want to put this up because I will put it back down, but I want to show you this. This window
Oh, nice. It opens. Oh, wow.
Opens up, and you can actually, I think, take it out completely if you don't want it. This is your pantry.
It's huge.
So these are all adjustable with some drawers that come out. So I think for any different, I mean, if you have cereal, you adjust it up, whatever you want to do, you would be able to adjust it.
Yep.
And right beside that is your utility. So you can take some of these out and you can put brooms in here or whatever, or you can use this completely as a second pantry.
Wow.
So you have plenty of storage. Not to mention what you're going to have. It's all very deep, just like the fridge. It's extremely deep. Goes the whole length of the fridge.
Wow. Yeah, it's really deep.
Then we have my favorite style refrigerator. Side by sides are okay, but I like this because if you have long things, you can put them into the fridge.
Yep.
And I believe this is a residential refrigerator. And I think you can get it. It does have an ice maker. I do miss an ice maker. I'm not going to lie on that one. So you have a GE suite in here. By that, I mean all your appliances are GE. It's a nice microwave. I love. This is like powder coated. It's really nice. And look how big this is. This is definitely turkey.
Turkey worthy.
Turkey worthy. And then some.
Okay.
You have your trash barrels. And some pull-out drawers that soft close. Cutting board.
Nice.
Utensils. Paper towel. There's really not a lot of room for much else other than paper towels in there, to be honest. Everything is soft close, which is great. This one it's built so you can put your cookie sheets, your baking pans this way, and your pots and pans here. So that's nice. Or you can put lids in there. This is going to be a spice rack.
Oh, wow.
Or stuff for your cooking oils and things like that.
Nice.
That one needs adjustment.
Yeah.
All right. Nice big drawer. I wonder if you can put a dishwasher in that.
I don't know. Dovetail drawers.
Yeah, dovetail drawers. Yeah.
Very nice.
So really, it's well-appointed living, dining, kitchen area. And I'm really excited about what's coming up back here. So many of us want the toy hauler without really having the toy hauler's whole back end. So you've got a complete second working area, and you have a second kitchen, an outdoor kitchen.
That is so nice.
So you've got the service shelf. Look at this nice wine fridge.
Oh, yeah.
Beverage fridge, I should say. Oh, it's locked.
Wow.
But another trash can. You have more storage here. This is also where something else starts here. I think it might be the ladder for up there. Can go
here?
up here.
Oh, yeah. There is a loft up here.
Yeah.
I can't get up there, but
No, they don't have it available, but I think that's where it's supposed to be.
also good for storage if you want it.
But this is the best part.
This is unreal, yeah.
You still have a rear patio. You do have a little space to put, bikes or motorcycle, whatever, in there.
You do.
Probably, I don't know how easy it'd be to put a golf cart in there.
No, probably not. No.
I think it'd need to be a couple feet longer.
A couple motorcycles or little small dirt bikes or
E-bikes.
Strap them in there.
Probably somehow strap in some,
speakers. Look at I love the lights on the side, especially if you have something on the back, bikes or something like that.
These are your doors.
Look at that. That's a really nice door. There's an awning that comes out.
Mm-hmm.
There's also a camera already installed. They didn't just leave a place for a camera. They actually put a camera.
And the accent light above it. The accent light right there. It's like an LED. But this to me would be a great place to sit out, let Molly have some outdoor space without getting filthy dirty like she is every single time.
Yep. All right, let's go check out the front.
Again, you have places underneath for your shoes. This bedroom is going to look similar to what I've seen before. This bedroom and bathroom. So
bathroom. Oh, yeah.
There is no floor vents in the bathroom, which is good. The bottom part is going to be a pull-out trash.
Yep.
And then here, let me,
Storage
pulls out. Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
Way out.
Yes.
Wow.
So it's great. So you can put your baskets, your bins, all your stuff can go right in there.
Man.
Yeah. And then, like I said, the bottom is your trash can.
It's a very nice pull-out, too. It's very smooth.
Yeah.
Solid.
And you
very
have
nice. The drawers.
Drawers. You've got 4 drawers, and then you have storage under there.
It's a nice, like a fiberglass shower. Let's check out the, let's do the Scotty test.
All right. So we know this, it's very good for Scott.
This is perfect.
He's 6'4".
Yeah. I mean, I don't even have to use I got shoes on, and I'm still,
yes.
my head still doesn't even
right. Shoes on.
And the little concrete.
And I like where the drain is. The drain's on the side. It's not in the center. To me, that makes things really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice. Nice, solid, one piece.
Built-in.
Beautiful.
Built-in, like, wire shelving and the rain shower again. Now, because it is a little wider, because this is a wide body, so this is 101 inches, you have a little more space in here. So they gave you closed shelving instead of just like small shelving.
Yeah.
To put stuff in there. It's an odd shape, but it'd be workable. And then this is your laundry center. I like that. It'd be great for us, you know, just an all-in-one, and then you'd have stuff for sheets and whatever else you want up here. So I really like this.
Yep.
Again, you have a lit up bar, and over there you have a cordless vacuum prep.
Oh, yeah.
So you have Dysons or whatever you can.
And some shelves over here.
Yep.
All right.
There are no bedroom vents. It's in the wall.
Open it on up.
And this is a king size bed.
Storage under here.
So you have the drawers here on the end.
Okay.
And then you have a little bit of storage.
You have a plug here. Yep. There's a plug right down.
And those are also, I think, heating there.
Heating
there,
unit.
and there.
They're there.
Yep.
Nothing in the floor.
Nope, nothing in the floor.
That's beautiful. Completely no vents in the floor.
And if you
That's
follow
phenomenal.
me enough, you know
that
I
we
don't
don't
like floor vents.
All right.
So, yeah, this is the first time we've seen this in the wild, in real life.
In real life. Loving it.
But yeah, I love it. And it comes in under 40 feet. So,
all right.
All right.
Call it a day and celebrate.